Hello guys. This is Bobby Michael, welcome to today's section. Today we'll learn how you can animate your Figma design with few clicks. Just like this. Cool, right? Well, you can actually do something cooler with jitter. Follow these steps. Open the project you like to animate. Make sure they are well grouped and framed. Select your frame. Click on the resources icon, move down to plugins. Search for jitter, then click on run. Click on export to jitter, then wait for it to export. There you have it. Select each component and add effects to it. Make sure they are well arranged. Once you're done, preview it. Then export with either of the options. There are paid and free options. Once it's ready, click on download. There you have it, a perfect animation for your frames. If you learned something, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.